Hey guys, what's up? It is Alicia Jones and I'm back with a new video. And in today's video, as y'all can see from the title, I will be doing my nails in this video. I don't know how to act, but this is how I usually do my nails for cheap. I know it's so many nail videos going around, but I've been doing my nails like this for probably 3 years now, and it only cost me 11 bucks. So this is what they look like, and I save so much money. Now I do go get my feet done, but my hands I do myself. So if you want to see how I do my nails, I just had to do that. But if you want to see how I do my nails, go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am using the Jelly Fantasy nails by Kiss, and they are in the size long. And then I'm just going to show you some of the items that I use to do my nails: an emery board, a buffer, and some cuticle and nail oil by Sally Hansen. And also I use the brush on nail glue. I like that one as opposed to the one that you squeeze out. It's just faster for me. And before I do anything with my nails, I like to look at all the sizes and see which ones would fit better. And then once I do that, then I go ahead and for this time, I'm going to cut my nails because the nails are translucent and I didn't want my real nails to show. So usually these nails, they last me about 7 days. So here I'm just cutting off all of my nails because they had gotten pretty long. But I just cut off the white tip part. And then after I do this, I just go in and file them to make sure they even, because girl, they was looking crazy. So I do that, and I make sure I file them down real good and try to get them even as best as I can. But I was rushing a little bit because all of my daylight was leaving, and I actually did my nails outside for this video. And then I pushed my cuticles back because I did not want to put the nails on my cuticle. Now this is the part that I actually hate. It just makes me cringe. I really don't like doing this, but I did it anyway. So I push all of my cuticles back, and I don't actually add the oil until after I finish applying my nails. And then once I do that, I go in and buff my nails to smooth them out really good. I like to smooth my nails out really good. But like I said earlier, I have been doing my nails with the Kiss. I only use the Kiss. I really like the different designs and things they have. I usually purchase them from Walgreens or Sally's. I think Sally's has a different style though. So, but I like that. And then what I do is I just make sure I have them all lined up to the nail sizes, and then I go in with some nail polish remover to remove any of the debris that I had from when I filed my nails, because I want to make sure that it sticks on there really good. So I brush it on my actual nail, and what I usually do is brush it on the artificial nail as well. But like I said, I was rushing, so I actually forgot to do that step. But if you want your nail to last longer, you want to put the nail on your actual nail, and then you want to put the glue on your actual nail, and then you want to also put it on the artificial nail for a better stick and a better hold. But I picked this pink color because it just screams summer more to me than the other color. So I like that better. But Kiss has different, all types of sizes, shapes. I think they have long, medium, and short. And they also have toenails too, which I have used before when I didn't feel like wanting to get a pedicure. So I'm just speeding this part up right here. But when I put the nail on, I hold it down for a couple seconds just to make sure the nail glue dries. And then at the end of the nail, there's like this little white like square piece. So I make sure I file that off because it looks super tacky if you leave it on, and it is kind of sharp too. So I always make sure I file that down too. So this is what my nails look like when I get done. And like I said, when I finish, I go in with the nail and cuticle oil, and then I put it all over my cuticles since I pushed them back. And when I'm not wearing nails, I apply that on my actual nails when I'm not wearing artificial nails. And then this is just some hand lotion that I got from Bath and Body Works. And when I do my nails, I like to put that on just to make sure my hands look all smooth. Because, girl, they was dry. Like, really dry. But, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to keep it really short because, I mean, it's just putting on nails. But this is how I do my nails whenever I do my nails, when I want to do my nails, or before I go on vacation. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know, have you guys used these nails before? See you in the next video. Peace.